Okay guys, so we're walking to Dairy Queen and we forgot that dogs aren't allowed in Dairy Queen. So she's gonna have to watch her while I'm inside. What do you want? There's like a Reese's
if they have the I want the cotton candy blizzard.
Okay.
If they don't have the cotton candy blizzard, just get me a M&M blizzard.
Okay, I'm gonna get a small for you because I want to save my money.
Are you getting a small too?
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna go inside.
Make it quick, and then we have to run.
Why?
Across. Oh no, Nessie's gonna get some people.
Okay, all right. Okay, we're back. I got Oreo. She got cotton candy. Yeah. Nobody tasted us today. We went to Dairy Queen, and yeah, she's still eating her cotton candy. Not for Oreo, but like, I don't remember what it's called, but yeah. Oh my god, look. It's like, that is so weird. Anyway, I know this was like a really short video, but yeah. And yeah, that's all. We both got small, so, but it was like over small. That girl that works there, and she did my Oreo with but she just overdid it. Anyway, Mia's still eating hers. Oh, hi. Say bye.
Bye.